How's it, your aloha? It's your Uncle Burpee Yoga. I'm gonna tell you when to do it. This is lamb. I can use mutton too, but I want to get some lamb food. So there's a lot of recipes of lamb because it's very popular in certain parts of the world. But I'm gonna make it basically, obviously, the Chinese style, and I'm gonna use fu zhuk, which is basically dried bean curd. It's a very easy dish to make. Don't make it so sound complex. The main thing about the lamb is you gotta get rid of the gamey smell. I personally like the smell, but the way that we eat it is you gotta get rid of the gamey smell. The first thing I'm gonna do is just soak it in water and have it soak up all the blood stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, and this too, I need to soak this in water too. And then the rest is just spices and stuff, right? I'll show you what it is. Let me go start soaking them first. Again, it's real easy recipes. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. I do food. I do tons and tons of burpees. That's why my channel's name is Burpee Yoga Uncle. Now I'm doing gardening too because it's the second time. Last year I started during COVID-19 trying to do gardening, but I kind of failed. So, well, that's because I don't go out that much, right? So now that I go out to do my burpees, I might as well do the yard too. So I'm actually starting gardening. So under my playlist, there'll be a playlist for gardening. So I'll be doing gardening and showing you. So far I'm growing snow peas, spinach, and choy sum. That's what it was. Yeah, some kind of a Chinese vegetable. That's the three things I'm growing now. Obviously, I'm growing other stuff too. I'm just going to keep throwing in there. All right? So let's go and start preparing it. Again, very easy and fast food. Not complex. That's your unk. All right, you see? This is, I'm just letting it in water. I put in some ginger and also from some orange peel to get rid of the smell and all the red water. That helps it a little bit, right? And then the ginger I did, the garlic. And then remember that pack of dried bean curd? After it soaks up the water, it looks like that. Oh, these are my favorite. That's why I made a lot, actually. All right, so now I'm going to proceed to cook these. I'm going to get rid of the water, and then I'm going to saute you'll see what I'm doing. All right, basically it's ginger and garlic. We're going to try to get rid of the smell of the lamb. So we'll let it cook through for a while, and then we'll throw it in. So on this first passing, we're basically going to use the smell of the ginger and the garlic just to get rid of the smell of the lamb, right? We're cooking it down. That's all we're doing. We're not really adding any flavor in there yet. So we'll cook it down. I'll just keep turning this until it's almost done. So right now it's about a minute. I'll let you know how long it takes me. All right, it's been a couple of minutes. I've been stirring it to get the ginger to infuse into the lamb. So now I'm going to just take it out and leave the wok the way it is. I'm going to start making the sauce. All right, here comes the all-important sauce. By the way, do you guys know that lamb or mutton is actually better meat than beef or pork? Yeah, I didn't know that. It's actually better for you. First thing we're going to put in, fermented bean curds. You can pick it up in any Asian market. They're like bean curds. It actually tastes good by the way it is. Just throw it in the same pot, the same pan. You can see how many I put in. Yeah. So in Chinese, Cantonese called fu yu. Second thing we're going to do is lam yu. Same thing, we're going to put in a piece, a chunk. So it's 小好醬。Ooh, smells good. bean paste. Ouchie. I need to stir it a little bit. It was hitting me. Now I'm going to throw back the lamb so it can bask in its glory. Oh yeah. So I put in some water. And then chestnuts. That's like a Chinese thing, man. You're gonna put chestnuts in there to add to the crunchiness, right? Again, these are all optional ingredients. You don't have to put them in there, but if you have it, great. If you don't, great. Because the dish itself is mostly just the lamb. Yeah, it's looking good already. Chestnut. I always clean as I'm cooking. And then these are very important to get rid of the smell of the lamb. So which is dry orange peels. And also you can put bamboo in here, but our family doesn't really like bamboo because it is bad for us because some of us are allergic to it. So again, you can put bamboo in there if you want. And bay leaves. Again, this is all to get rid of the smell of the lamb, right? More water. This is a shiitake mushroom water. Well, it's been about an hour or so. I didn't do anything. I'm gonna put in the dried bean curd I like so much. And I'm gonna cook it in there. Let's soak up all the goodness. I like this the most. This good. That's for color. Chestnuts. The sauce. This sauce is to die for. But this stuff soaks up everything. And the lamb is so good. Your Uncle Burpee Yoga. This is a fantastic dish. And I just want to dig in. The sauce with the rice.